Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how to change wallpapers on BlackArch and how to change font size in the command terminal. Okay, there is a couple of options available. You can follow any of the options. I will explain only two options. One is you can install any uh, graphical desktop environment like XFCE or KDE or GNOME. Yeah, here I install the XFCE. So in XFCE, I most prefer that XFCE desktop. So that is a lightweight desktop and it is a very stable desktop. So here you can see all the BlackArch tools available if you install the XFCE. The other thing is you can see that is XFCE is easy to maintain and easy stable one. The problems with the XFC, if you open the menu, so these are all BlackArch tools is not available here. So those are whichever available on Fluxbox, okay, the default desktop environment, and also it will more memory. For So you can see that H-top here. Okay. The other options are you can change the desktop environment and Fluxbox, which is the default desktop environment, BlackArch. So I will explain that one. So I'm log out from. So we will log in back to our default desktop environment, the Fluxbox. Okay. So here I'm logging with that. This is I'm explaining everything in the VMware workstation, but this everything is same nearly if you are using VirtualBox, if you are using. But here I have not installed any VMware tools. That's why sometimes is resolution not stable. Okay, here is a Fluxbox environment. That is not friendly way, and also the terminals. If you open the size is toolbars is so the first thing I'll explain that is changing the font size. The font size you normally you change in you must be as a root on the box. So I'm using sorry white one, so it will little bit better in the so here I'm logging sudo minus as my password. Okay, so we're going to user share the black art. Okay, we are customizing. Okay, then I'm going to change configuration. Then we are using Fluxbox desktop environment. There is a couple of desktop environment i3 Fluxbox but normally I use default. Okay, and then another was styles. Then we are using BlackArch theme here. So which theme you are using? BlackArch. So how can you check the themes? If you click here, the you see that is a Fluxbox system styles. So here is a BlackArch is right. So that is why I do have Flux theme, blue night, blue fog, blue flux, everything is. But most of them is nearly same. Okay, here you can see that there is a file called theme, so you can edit the theme file to size. So here you can change your menu frame font, the menu and you can increase size. You can see that if you so you can increase size of the font, the title, the toolbar. So I'm changing the window font. You can see that here the window font. Okay, the size I'm increasing the moment. Well, 12 is very so I'm okay. Then control O, I'm saving that. Then I'm control X, I'm it from there. But what you have to do, close it again. Sometimes it will affect immediately, but sometimes it won't affect. What you have to do, exit from this flux box and come back again in. Okay, so it's a username Ricky, password So this is the one you can see that it will affect normally, but sometimes virtual environments affect immediately. You need to, okay. So what I'm doing, I'm rebooting the system now, so it will work. So I'm rebooting that now. So okay guys, I rebooted. So whenever I change the theme file, it will go on to resolution is the default one. So what I'm doing, I'm changing the resolution X, R and R, and my screen, and this is a this when I explain this command I explained in the BlackArch installation will change the resolution of your screen, and the screen is 0, and I'm using screen is 0, and I'm using as to my resolutions. I'm using 680 times 105. Okay, sorry, it's a 6, not 80. Okay, so I'm using. Oh, I put the wrong comment. That's why it's not working. X or and R and R. Okay, this is the one you can see that is the screen is gone up. Terminals. So you see that font size is changed now. So sometimes the font and this is you can increase the, you can see that now. And another one is changing the desktop. Most of this desktop is, so there is a two options you can up. One is using F command. The the thing is BG and center background center with this. Yeah, then I'm going the location whichever I'm using the file with the so I'm using I downloaded file. Okay, downloads. There's a for location of my, then I am using so wallpaper.png. Okay, so the one I'm using. So once you that it will emit, but this won't save it, won't save. So it once you log off and log in back, it will goes away. Delete it. Yeah, if I go back again, won't, the savings are won't save there. What you have to do, you can edit the file. You can edit that. Edit that is gone now. What you have to edit file. I'm doing here. There is a two file, two option, two places. One is your home location. And let's manage here. Here is a Fluxbox folder. The Fluxbox folder. If you edit this here, it will cut. Another location also wherever I may, there is a sudo minus. So you go, if you go back to this cd, that same location which I share the here is the location. Yeah, the you have to keep the files here, but you have to edit the file. One more file is Fluxbox file is here. Okay. This is the overlay file. Okay, you have to edit the overlay file here. Overlay. So if you edit the file, this is the location you have to edit. So the location you can, but I'm editing my home location now here actually. Editing my home location. Okay. So ls man, this is box folder. Okay. The cd dot box folder, that there is a file overlay, that now the file overlay. So what I'm doing, I'm just checking wherever my current, so what I'm doing, uh, that I'm home, Okay, this is the location left. So what I'm doing, I'm saving control X. Okay, so what I will do, I reboot. So we will check that. Okay, okay, I rebooted the machine. You can see that the image will always be, it won't change. Okay, so that's another one. Another thing, if you want to copy something and select something, won't right click. So what you have to do is ls LA. So you have to hold your control button and select that one, whatever you select. You hold the control button, click right click button, you selection. So copy selection to, and you can open that in you want to paste that in somewhere. I'm putting in a mouse pad, so I paste that one, but copy it from tricks. Work very. Okay, that's it for this video. Okay, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.